Mr. Eazi in the building. And of course, you that listen from different parts of the world, and make sure say you join to be part of the conversation. We they stream live on Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure say you catch up with in they happen. Eazi, welcome inside Wazobia FM.
How far? I guess where this or not, I'm good.
Yes, you got. And if you do all right, it's good, but to be clear.
All right.
Yes. All right. Mr. Eazi, I would like to ask you something sharp. You get something maybe they trend on social media sometime last month, huh?
What's me there?
Because you know why I would like ask you, because you also understand the business of music aside from just jumping on beat and all that. And be no say you get something where they call farming.
That one day normally day, and I feel say it is funny say you ask me this kind of question because like I literally the whole year I they get debate with my entire team because my entire team they feel say at the end of the team with it, if you dey inside market if you get book where you say market get these rules for the market, right, if nobody for the market they follow the rules, it means say the rules where the market they follow now rules where the market they create.
That's unregistered rules
exactly
now.
So I feel say it's I no get real opinion whether it dey bad or good, but me as of today, I don't know about tomorrow. I just want day real with you. As of today, I feel say at the end of the day now like Ojoro, but at the end of the day, person feel look am like saying I'm marketing because at the end of the day, if we feel ginger influencers say influencers dance to my song, blah, blah, blah. Then other people see them, people can't start to use them, or we feel say we feel pay Google say make Google advertise, and then people can't see them, get views. You know, person feel look am from that kind place, but I feel say wetin I want do we say I go studio. If I go studio, I go do.
Zagadat.
I'll just talk rubbish. After I talk rubbish, I go just pay for stream farm. Make it enter number 1.
But you know they sustainable like that.
No, I go just do them. You know, say I won't just go talk some rubbish. Come make a number 1. So I don't know if instead make I do that one, make I just use the money.
Then people go come their quarrel for social media and say it's no sweet.
But at the end of the day, now where the market day, so I know fit talk say it day. I mean, nobody fit go prison for doing that thing. So now the people will get the platforms suppose they fight them. Actually, because at the end of the day, you know. But I don't think say the fans care. The fans just want good music. Everybody they
and
make
the fans actually
music.
know wetin be good music and wetin no be.
But everybody they make good music. So at the end of the day, now all
everybody they make good music.
Everybody they make good. Most people they make good music.
Most people now what
all the music where they play for this radio station sweet.
It's sweet.
But no be all the music where you play for this radio station top 10. Una know they play only top 10.
No.
Una they play music.
Everybody.
Exactly. So everybody music sweet. Whether he hit top 10
because
or
if you not sweet for you sweet for another person.
Exactly. Like this my songs where they sing. I see some people they abuse me, say you don't get anything to sing again, blah 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 blah. Why they sing this kind of song? I say okay, now wait I want to sing this.
All right, so Eazi, thank you so much. Say you throw more lights inside that question. I know. I guess ask the people who understand the business of music. I guess ask them that question. You know, when I hear Protect, the next thing where they did my mind, I say make I just check my bag, bring out the bundle, begin they do like this. I
tell you.
But tell me for free, who be your dance instructor?
Some people will just teach me to just do some moves. I never graduate for the dance, but you know say that all those kinds of students we could just read only one line.
They feel like they do okay.
Exactly. So now what they do?
Because when I watched the first video, actually, I remember then when we they watch, I said, so Mr. Eazi can really dance.
Thank you.
Yes,
thank you.
And then I can't say to my no, he gets instructor.
I get instructors.
Instructors!
Everybody where I see they dance, like even the new song where I just dropped now, I never post because I still find the dance where I go feed all the dance where they see online. It's too complicated, like.
Because me personally, when I see where people they dance, I feel like say no be everybody know how. Not everybody supposed to know how to dance. It's hard.
Everybody supposed to know how to move, but not
dance. Be to dance, right?
Understand?
Yes, but well done. Bigger things. Now, I could talk about the success of Protect. Now, before the new song now, Protect been go like this, boom, and you been get plans. You been know. Tell me before you drop that song, wetin been dey your mind?
Before, as in, I just know say, man, people like this song because I've been first do one video drop on Instagram.
Yes.
We say people just start to message me. People just DM me, say, "Oh, send, make a do verse, make a do verse." People will say, "Who never talk to me for like 3 years, 2 years." Just they message me, say, "Oh, I say okay. Now wetin I want be this. I don't want to get serious. Okay. You don't cast, no worry."
Yes.
Straight. So now I just tell because I did drop album. I suppose drop album. We say the album get legalized where I drop earlier.
Yes, legalized.
And it get more.
No carry me go that legalized. Leave me alone.
You know, it get more personal songs for the album. The album don't almost finish. But I just tell my team, say, me will drop this one. We drop them. So as we drop them, just promote. Even I still talk with my team. Say we still gas continue promote this Patek, but me will drop see something so that they play Patek, maybe they just use that church mind, just play see something in between.
And who knows, like see something might just pick up now.
If
you dey front.
Almost a week old.
Awesome. Now, but you get other things where you aside from the challenge come bust out, and then you get so many things where I hear say you spray money. It be like say you just go mountain, just spray money so many people.
You know,
you been do am.
At the end of the day, that song says she go when she see the cash. And he can't even say cash. So if you get song where you say, they say cash.
Money got sprayed.
I will come meet you, say cash. They sing about cash. I know can't drop cash.
You go there somehow.
I know be promise and fail. So some cash definitely dropped for that record. And it was exciting.
Awesome.
I never happy to spend money before until
that line.
Yeah, as I drop that song, you gonna sweet me.
You know, I tell you now, say once you hear the song, you go just find your bag, make you bring out the bundle, make you
right now. I know like me them play that song if I did club. No,
because you go just stand up like this.
I've been there Dubai like some 2-3 weeks ago.
Yes.
At the party from Monday to Friday. It can't be like say the DJs can't know say if we play this Patek, this guy go buy more bottles. So they don't play them. So the money where I change, where I deal with.
Yes.
I can't ask my assistant say, okay, I want order another bottle. You just come whisper to me say, boss, the money don't finish. I say, yeah. So now I no go club again.
DJ play me that song. If they explain something to me, I need to hear the song again. Make I see the movement.
I no go club again. No. I don't avoid club now.
I swear down.
If I hear club.
Lagos, we're going to take that break. I see your messages, they're coming. But of course, Mr. Eazi there with me on the spotlight. And I sit there here with superstar DJ Indo. The name na still Church Smith.
It dey move. Oh, it dey move. Oh. Big 2000. Small 2000.
Not to 200 now.
No. Big 200.
Yes.
Small 200.
You switch you from us.
See.
Mr. Eazi, we could talk about this new song, See Something. We could talk about See Something. Now, See Something carries chord.
Straight up.
It they planned on as they go because I DJ Neptune Shatawale, our very good friend over here, means, and of course Medical. Yes, I've been interviewing Medical a few months back, right? Yes, big guy.
So to be honest, there was no plan to actually have plenty of people on the record. When I came up, I just entered studio to have. I heard a Medical song. Medical was supposed to be on Patek. So that didn't happen.
Don't forget your pidgin.
Say I don't forget.
And it is sweet us. Don't forget that. Because
anyway, Medical been supposed day Patek. Now so the verse no come on time. So I just say okay. The next one I go run them on top am. So I just go studio. I go in studio to go record them. But as I reach there, I can't see say Shatawale day there. So I just say, okay, Shatta, you like this thing? He say yes. I say, yeah, put your dancehall inside. So in Duam, I can't send them to Means because I work with Means.
Yes, you work
with Empower. So I send them to Means. Means just go create space for the song by himself.
Himself?
Yeah. I send them to him, say, check out this record where because I feel the song.
Yes.
He just create space. Just send me with his own verse. I can't like him verse, so
okay.
I just say, you don't put yourself inside this song when you say yes. So
cool move.
And Neptune come Ghana. Neptune listen to the song, help me do some arrangements. So he say, I still don't do arrangements. Himself
Put himself inside.
Because arrangement and production.
Yes.
So he be producer on the record. So he guys dey inside. So now the song turn squad.
Awesome. And maybe more to come, sir.
Yeah, maybe more to come.
More to come. See something now. What do you call this particular song? So everybody write their own verses, or you still put in one or two things?
Everybody write their own verses, but I put in something when for that Shatawale side.
Okay.
Me and him do that side together. We just the vibe. In the vibe, but see, me I be dancehall fan. So
yes.
You just say, wetin they talk there? Say, hey.
And everything gel.
Yeah, and so you just doing.
And DJ Indo, I want feel that see something, and then before we go know the angle way we they go inside. The video for the see something you the plan
No, I no plan shoot video for.
Why? Please, why? Tell me.
I just because the next one, there's a song coming. You get one song where they come January.
Okay.
So I don't already pay for that video, and that video now around my festival. I get festival 27 December for Accra, Dirty Rave. So I just feel say, man, make I know just they shoot video every make I host.
But you get as this see something go you go there first to shoot.
You know as they go now.
Yes, now.
Your video say I know do video.
Yes,
I know
now.
do video. If you just see some of the song they cast, like Patek, I been say I know go do video.
So
why the video
happen?
Come late?
Even get video. Patek even get plenty videos.
Exactly. So we feel, but no plan yet to shoot the video, and because plenty people do inside to get everybody
together there, again.
Yeah, go difficult. So the next one done ready. I will shoot that one.
January, huh?
Yeah.
All right, make you feel the song because we guys wrap up very soon. You know, saying a busy guy. You know. Not be everything go to hear from my mouth.
Dun, 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 dun. I say what big man can do, small boy go feed do. Not every time. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
December they're very busy. I know say they're all over the place.
Yeah, I come out today. I go start to plan my festival because that festival go big, it go scatter everywhere. So I want to make sure say everything be on point. And that festival na me as hype man, me as like DJ Khalid. I no book any artist for that festival. Only DJs, 4 DJs, proper production, lights. I don't import all the things for production, and na me go be hype man. So na me go they say they didn't believe in us. We hot.
And I go shout Zagadat. But last before we come up for here, Eazi, we go buy a share, now you go share us.
I won't share the details of the bank account.
For what?
Because I say I get plenty online in-laws. So now all the people will say they love me.
Easy, I say we go buy a you go give us.
No, they go just they send money to that place.
Okay.
Because so that we go use that money take do
legalize.
So if that money don't reach one kind level,
yes,
we'll come do legalize. We'll come for the video. When I do video,
you know that why not money day for legalize.
Shout out to all the people who contribute for this legalize. Now get this thing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
It's easy, so you come inside the building.